In this video, we're going to study cycles. First, let's look at the example. Write the standard form of the equation of a cycle. The question is example number 1. Write the standard form of the cycle, giving us radius is 4 and the center is -5, 2. This is the standard form of the equation of the cycle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared, where the center is h and k and the radius is r, right here. So they give us the center and the radius. All we have to do is substitute the value of h and k into the equation. So in this case here, h is -5. So here is, that gives me h is -5, k is 2. So I have -5, which is h squared plus y minus k, which is 2 square equal to r squared. R is 4, so I got 4 square. Now to simplify, right here I have 16. The minus with the minus here become a positive. So this is the equation of the cycle in the standard form. Let's look at the second example. The second example, they give us the equation of the cycle in the general form. This is the equation of the cycle in the general form, and they ask us to graph the cycle. To graph the cycle, you need the radius and the center. So that means we need to rewrite this equation here to look like the standard form, where we can tell that we have the radius and the center. So this equation here does not tell us anything. So to rewrite this equation here to become a standard form, we have to use complete the square to rewrite this equation to look like this. And then from there we can able to tell the radius and the center, and we can graph. Now to complete the square of this equation here contains x and y. So the first step to do is we isolate the term and group the x and y together. So here I grouped all the x together. I give myself now a space here. And for the y, I put all the y together. Y squared minus 4y, like so. You see the 13? The 13 have no x and y, so we minus the 13 both sides. So we got a minus 13 here. Now to complete the square, we need the extra term here. So I'm going to put a box right there. Okay, let's use this one color. So I'm going to use green here. And right here I'm going to use red. Here. So do the same thing, have a box here. Now if you add the green and red box to the equation, you have to do the same thing on the other side. It's the equation. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do the other side. Now our goal is to rewrite this into complete this perfect square. So to do this, we take this 10. We don't have to worry about the plus or minus here. This case it has plus. So take a 10 only, divide by 2, equal to 5. This is b. The box, the number inside this box here stands for b squared. To find b squared, take a 5 and we square that, equal to b squared, which is equal to 25. Right? So that means I put 25 in here. And once again, do the same thing over here. Now, to find this number in the red box, we do the same thing. We take the 4 only. We do not worry about the minus here. This minus here, we take care it later on. So 4 divided by 2, which is 2, stands for b. And then 2 squared is b squared, which is equal to 4. This means I need to put the 4 here and add the 4 here and add the 4 there. So now we will simplify. So let's simplify this side first. You have minus 13 plus 25 and plus 4, which is 16. Over here, we know this is perfect square, so we can rewrite to look like this. That's first for x and this is for y. For the x, we put the x down here. Because this plus here, it dictates that we have plus there. Now this term here is always stand for b. So b was 5. b is always half of this number here. So just in the case here, we have 5. For the y here, y down. And the minus here, we come down this way. And this number here is always your b. This case your b is 2. Like that. So based on this result, we can tell that the center is minus 5, comma 2. And the radius, this value here stands for r squared. So the radius should be 16, the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. Now, the reason I have minus 5 here because remember the standard form of the circle is to be x minus h. Since this here the x plus 5, 5 is the h. To be a plus here, the 5 has to be minus b to cancel out with the minus there. So h is minus 5. So now let's graph. I just insert the graph paper to the problem. So we graph. First thing the graph is we will plot the point, the center, which is x is minus 5 and y is 2. Right here is the center. And then now we will graph using the radius to graph. Now the radius is a distance from the center to the arc of the circle. So I'm going from the center to up by 4. That is now a point on the graph. It's the distance to 4. And you go from here, you're going to go to the right by 4. So now a point on the graph from the center to that point is on the graph. And then you can go down from the center by 4. So right here. And then go here to the left by 4. These are 4 points along the circle like this. Alright, that is distance from the center to that point is 4 units, which is your radius. So now all you have to do is connect all the 4 points carefully to make a nice circle. I'm trying my best to draw it. Make a nice circle. So that's our cycle. I'll try my best to draw